Today is rollover day in gold. I'm making this video to provide a tip and trick. In Tradestation 10, it is very important that you know how to do this on rollover. Gold will be rolling over to February gold. The symbol will be at GCG22. It's important to know what pending data is and how to manage pending data. And there are a lot of bad trades if you don't get this right. So watch what happens when I change the symbol. This is important for futures rollovers. This is just an example of gold, and this is true for each market that you roll. So we roll quite frequently futures markets. Now you're going to see yellow PD in the upper left-hand corner. I'm not going to disable automation, and so I'm waiting for the data. See that yellow PD? And it's going to go away. I've scheduled it to ASAP. It's going away. It went away, but the data is not completely loaded. If you look at the performance summary, you will see that all the trades aren't there. See, I've got 7 months loaded, but it's not showing all the trades. And so one of the things you want to do is you can check your performance summary for each of these, make sure it's showing all the trades. But once you do that, you can close your workspace and reopen it, or you can go Data, Edit Symbol. You're not changing anything, but watch what happens when I close it again. It reloads again. So Tradestation kind of needs a double reload. Whenever you load a new symbol, you'll see pending data, then you have to reload it again. So you can do that deal where I format the symbol and then close it and it'll reload it, or you can close the workspace and reload it. So what I would do if you don't understand what I just did is each time you roll these futures contracts, each time you roll them, once the PDs go, all the yellow PDs go away, close your workspace and reopen it. That is the easiest and safest and best way to make sure. So I'm doing this, and I don't need to do it again on this one because it's also been loaded. It's been loaded. Once you load it, it's usually loaded for the next chart you do, unless the time frame is longer. So it's still the same amount of time. So I did that data, edit symbol, and I closed it, and it doesn't reload again. So it's good. And so let's do it with this one. It should be good on this one now too. We reloaded, we double reloaded it on the first one, so we should be good on these others. But once you do all this, close your workspace, reopen it for each one that you roll over. Let's check. I'm not going to disable, and so I'm good there. You can just always double check it by going Data, Edit Symbol, and Close, and it doesn't do anything. So Data, Edit Symbol, GCG22. I want to change that to 7 months. 7 years. You don't need 7 years. No, I don't want to disable automation. And so this is a 60-minute chart. Data, Edit Symbol. It doesn't reload. And the last one, gold reversal. Let's see. Data, Edit Symbol. At GCG22. No, I don't want to disable it. And so it's loaded now. And so I can do it again. I can do Data, Edit Symbol. Alright, so then once you do that, I'm confident, but what you can also do is you can save the workspace, File, Workspace, Save Workspace, and then you want to close it and reopen it just to make sure. Sometimes when you don't do that, the data 1 and data 2 don't match up. For strategies that have data 2, it might still be on December, or it's not fully loaded, and so you might get a signal when you shouldn't, or you don't get a signal when you should. And so this is a tip and trick in Tradestation. Anytime you see the yellow PD, make sure all the historical data is there. You can look at the performance summary. You can close the workspace and reopen it after the yellow PD goes away. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.